What's going on, everyone? My name is Erwin, and we are in the Temecula Tesla studios today. A little bit of a rain off and on, but we met up with Tesla runs at Corona supercharging station, and we all head down here to Temecula. That's right. I haven't been here before, first time being here, but Empire Customs with Temecula Tesla had put something together where it's just a little gathering, cars and coffee in the morning. And so we're gonna start heading in. We're gonna check out some cars. A lot of Cybertrucks here today.
Now, cause you never did. I'll be okay, I'll get used to it. If you see something that you want, better grab it. If you don't try, then you won't ever have it. Won't you come down to the rodeo? You might meet someone that you ought to know. And if you see something that you want, better grab it. If you don't try, then you won't ever have it. Much more than he ought to know. A city on a cliff about to get pushed in, and no one knows how to save their skin. Try to eat, try to sleep, try to work, try to drink, try not to think, try not to think. Try to eat, try to sleep, try to work, try to drink, try not to think, try not to think. Don't look now, cause you never did. I'll be okay, I'll get used to it. If you see something that you want, better grab it. If you don't try, then you won't ever have it. Won't you come down to the rodeo? You might meet someone that you ought to know. And if you see something that you want, better grab it. If you don't try, then you won't ever have it. Cause you never did. I'll be okay, I'll get used to it. If you see something that you want, better grab it. If you don't try, then you won't ever have it. Won't you come down to the rodeo? You might meet someone that you ought to know. And if you see something that you want, better grab it. If you don't try, then you won't ever have it. Don't look now, cause you never did. I'll be okay, I'll get used to it. If you see something that you want, better grab it. If you don't try, then you won't ever have it. Won't you come down to the rodeo? You might meet someone that you ought to know. And if you see something that you want, better grab it. If you don't try, then you won't ever have it.
All right, let's check out Tesla Temecula showroom. We have, I saw earlier, we have a Optimus robot in here. Check this out. Looks like a 2023 model according to this. Yeah, this is the guy to replace the Model S and the Model X right here. Look at that. So they have a Model Y Juniper with the darker interior on display. Check it out. Not bad. Let's go inside. Ooh, someone left their PS5 controller in here. But yeah, this is the darker interior. I like the darker interior. I like the darker seats than the white seats this time around. I normally get the lighter color, beige or white, but this has the black seats as well as the darker headliner. So yeah, it is pretty nice. Look at that. This is their service center and their customer lounge. Pretty cool customer lounge. They have some accessories on display. Oh, calipers. They're displaying it as if they're selling it. Are they selling it? Got the yoke steering wheel for the Model S and X. Wheel covers, charging cable, different adapters down there. Ooh, y'all remember those? Key fob. And then you can have coffee while you sit and wait for your car to be serviced. Hopefully nothing too crazy. And this is probably the way to, I don't know. Oh, it's covered. All right. All right, we are checking out HaloBlk's Model 3. You've seen this car before, but right next to it is this orange Cybertruck. What they have on here is these Halo covers that they're testing out right there. And Caesar tells me that they are almost going to be releasing it in a few months, but they are still sizing it up and stuff. So there is HaloDisc coming out for the Cybertruck. I know some of you have reached out and asked, so there you have it, folks. Now, what's interesting with this Cybertruck is they have put these little, I don't know what these are, the rubber edges things. Maybe just to keep the sharp things away. But yeah, they have it also right here. Look at that. Very cool, very cool. This orange is pretty cool too. They have it on many parts of the truck. All right, I found Eric. He is the owner of this orange Cybertruck. So
I did my wrap by myself.
Oh, you did?
Yes,
okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So what wrap is it?
It's so I ordered online. So from AliExpress app.
Okay.
Yeah. So and then I'm waiting for them to ship here, and then I just put it on by myself in the garage.
Oh my.
Yeah, but
goodness.
it took me like 12 hours to do it.
12 hours. That's it.
Yeah. Took me 12 hours.
That's good, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Came out really good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Really
Thank
good.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just like the color, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's nice.
Yeah. Well, which car is yours?
The pink one. I brought the pink one.
I see. Oh,
Yeah,
the Cybertruck.
yeah. Yes.
Right? Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I like that one too.
Thank you.
That's the special one. Yeah. Yeah.
So you got a camera? Are you on social media or anything?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Go ahead and share.
I try to make some videos.
Where can we find you?
TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
see your
Yeah, see you around.
What's
Okay.
the name? What's the name on TikTok?
What's the name? CYZ.
All right, there you go. Go
Yes.
follow him on TikTok.
Yes.
Follow him on TikTok.
What about you? YouTube?
I'm on YouTube.
Nice.
Yeah,
I will follow you too.
All right.
Oh,
Cool. Yeah, Sherwin M. That's it.
Okay.
All right, this is Jabari's Model Y Juniper. Look at that. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Man, it even has like shooting stars or something?
Mm-hmm.
What?
It's also voice control.
Man.
Hello, Starlight.
Does it,
What can I do for you?
Brightness 2.
Okay,
Brightness 9.
okay.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Man, does it open and close too, or
Hello,
just
Starlight.
I am here.
Open sunshade.
Okay.
No, get out. Look at that.
Hello, Starlight.
What can I do for you?
Close sunshade.
Okay.
Hello, Starlight.
What can I do for you?
Pause.
Okay.
Open sunshade.
Okay.
Close sunshade.
Okay.
Close sunshade.
Okay.
And it's quick to respond.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that's neat.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get lights on the back of here. I'm gonna get lights underneath, lights in the bowl. I'm gonna get a yoke dashboard display with some lights on it. I'm gonna change out the LED, the wireless phone charger. I'm gonna put LED around
The outline.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And
That's
then
cool.
Lights underneath on the footwells, and then I think that's really about it. Oh, and then a electric sunshade.
Oh, I've seen those. Yeah, those are cool.
So
Yeah.
that as well. I wanted to change out the headliner to black, but Tesla said they couldn't do it because my VIN number doesn't match the
Oh,
so
this Jabari right here. This is his Model Y.
hope you guys like it.
Under construction. Got
Under
lots of plans.
A lot of plans. I'm also gonna get some performance seats because these
Nice.
are not as comfortable.
Nice. Boom. Model Y Juniper.
Everything else so the underglow can shine.
Yeah, so this is Jabari's stealth black. It's all black everything, y'all. Man, look at this.
In progress.
In progress.
Like a construction sign.
Yeah.
When I started doing what I was doing,
He was like, I didn't want to be the only Juniper. You should have brought your Juniper. I'm like, it was Cybertruck day to day. Cybertruck day to day. So I had to bring the Cybertruck out. This is clean. Look at that. Man. Bruce Wayne in the house. All right, we are checking out Fauna Coffee. I'm getting myself a honey lavender latte, but see this cable coming out right here? It's plugged into the 120 volt and it's powering the entire trailer. And inside the trailer, we have coffee. What is that called again? It's a roaster, or what is it called?
oh no, that's the espresso machine.
It's espresso.
I've roasted coffee
Using the truck.
Ah. So he has that plugged in. He has a pump down there. Man, there's like 3 or 4 different things plugged in all into one cable. And the Cybertruck is handling that. No problem at all. So, Fauna Coffee right here. Being pulled by a Cybertruck and powered by a Cybertruck. Very nice, very nice. Got the homie Braden right here.
Yes, sir.
He had the Model X before, and now he is rolling in the Model S. So if you're on Instagram and you follow AIM Wrap, this is one of the cars he wrapped more recently. Man, when I seen this now, there's little things that I didn't even know, like check out the interior. Look at that. Is that velvet or Alcantara? It's so soft. Look at that, and they even put the lighting kit on there. All the way across too, right there. So carbon fiber side mirrors. Yeah, look at these wheels right here. Boom. Bam. Got the spoiler. Look at that. Look at that. Always coming with it whenever I see this guy. All right, we are here in Lake Elsinore. We're charging. We got here at 12% state of charge. And hopefully this thing will pick up. These are 250 kilowatt in speed. I was hoping to get to a 325 because those things really charge fast. If we're talking about Tesla charging performance anyway. But we do have a few Cybertrucks here that was at the event. We're gonna go step out and hang out. And yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, so we got 3 other Cybertrucks here. All had the same idea. we needed to charge. I think this is the closest heading up north. 3 Cybertrucks here, look at that. Yeah. All right, we ended up going to another charger because I didn't charge that high at the last charging stop. So we're here at 325 kilowatt in speed. We arrived there with like 39% state of charge. But I just want to take this time to give a couple of shout outs. So the first shout out is Edwin, who took delivery of a Model Y back in March. So shout out to you, congratulations, and thank you very much for using my referral code. I also just recently found out that I guess you can use referral codes outside the United States. I didn't even know. I mean, sure, like Canada and Europe, but I was not aware. And how did I find out? Because Abby's cousin, one of Abby's cousin, Joy, ordered a Model Y. So I was like in the Philippines, and I was like, oh, I didn't know you could use that. So they were able to get a discount, and they were able to use my referral code. And then when I was talking with people, they were like, yeah, you could use that outside the United States. So except China, I guess. I didn't realize China was excluded from it. So if you are planning on purchasing your first Tesla, it doesn't matter where you are in the world except China, and you need a referral code, please consider using mine. And thank you very much for those who have used my referral code. There's actually a couple of pending ones as well. Erlin and Edwin, shout out to y'all. Thank you for using my referral. You're pending, but thank you. And it was April 8th, so I don't know if you guys know each other because the email came like within minutes from each other. So thank you very much. Do let me know, chime in the comments if this is any of you guys, and yeah, let me know once you take delivery how you're enjoying it. But thank you very much for using the referral. Lots of things going on right now. I don't know if you've noticed, but I just haven't been putting out as much content. I have been recording. It's just the editing part has just been, oh man, just not enough time. And one of the big things is I've been developing some things here and there outside the YouTube platform. I wanted to grow the brand a little bit more and just provide some things for you guys. I mean, the first one I'm trying to build right now and try to get out are for content creators. Because originally I started building it for myself and then realized, you know what, if I'm looking for this and using it, maybe other people are also looking for it as well. So I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys. I've been working on the website, just working on the brand, growing the brand. It just keeps me going. So, you know, by liking the video, by subscribing, by commenting, reaching out, or if I'm out on these events, you know, like just saying what's up. I mean, like earlier today, people came up and it's like, hey, what's up, man? I watch your videos. So thank you very much for that. And next time we see each other, hopefully we can get you on camera and do some EV confessions. I love doing EV confessions. But yeah, and weather today has been weird, but we do love rain. I mean, I like the rain, especially in California, because we don't get much rain out here. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you haven't seen the R2 video where I went to Venice, please go check it out.